Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. I will make this video for you to set up BIOS on Lenovo ThinkCentre M83 and explain UEFI and Legacy. For that, we need a bootable pen drive for install Windows and insert into the USB port. Before inserting pen drive, must need to power up the PC and press the power button and pressing again and again F1. This piece is BIOS setup key F1 and other here you see you will press as per your model and go to the BIOS setup. So here we will go to startup and I need to go boot priority and here you see legacy first, but I know my hard disk partition style is GPT. For that I must need to set the boot on UEFI. Before setting BIOS you must need to know about your hard disk partition style. Here you see my hard disk partition style is GPT. For that I will select UEFI first and enter. Otherwise it will not install the Windows. Here you see the sequence SSD partition style GPT BIOS setup UEFI, and when you will install Windows you must need to select UEFI pen drive and install Windows. You see here UEFI select and F10 and enter. BIOS setup is complete and now I will press F12 for this PC and here you see the boot menu. This is SSD first one and second one is HDD and third one is pen drive. Here you see two sequence. First one is legacy and second is UEFI. My hard disk partition style is GPT. For that I will select UEFI for installing Windows. Otherwise it will not work. If you select this situation legacy, this Windows will not install. So I will select UEFI and install Windows. Otherwise not installed. So I need to select UEFI and enter, and you will see the following instruction and install Windows. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited from this video, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.